another woman that can take your spotlight.
But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I am back with another video. Yes, you guys, before I jump into this video on this hair that I'm about to show you, which you just saw, I have to send a huge shout out to my sunshine, sunbright, sunshine of the day. Thank you so much for being a sunshine, supporting, commenting. It really means a lot. If you want to know how you can be featured as my sunshine of the day, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and yeah, show me some love in the comments and I will spotlight you one at a time on my videos. And also I want to say it feels so good to be back, you guys. If you missed the update, I'll upload it here. I had a baby, like a full-grown baby. Like, I'm a mother of 2 now, so kind of blows my mind sometimes, but here we are. So that's the reason for my lack of consistency with videos. Mommyhood is just like, you know, one of the like most busy hoods that there is out there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this next video. So today we're gonna be reviewing this hair from Amazon. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna get the name of the company and it'll also be linked down in the description. So I have the information for this wig. This wig comes from the Elam store on Amazon. And I will say this, I will link it down below. And if you do click that link to purchase, just know you are supporting me, my channel, and for into my channel. It does not cost you anything extra and you'll be supporting me. And the other thing I will say is that a lot of times some people get swindled here on Amazon because they look at a wig from one person that posts it, they don't click their links and they go on there and try to find it and they get a catfish. So y'all, when y'all see y'all's content creators posting the links, click their direct link, especially if it's somebody that you know and trust. That they're leading you to the correct place and that they've tried this product. This wig I purchased with my own coins. So I'm just telling you from firsthand experience that this is my experience with this particular vendor from Amazon. All right, so let's get into it. So I said that this is from the Elam store. This is their short, curly, kinky wigs for Black women. So, and I did get it in the color black on here. I think it says it's a number 2. But it says black. So this is what the box looks like. You open it up, you get your wig, super curly. I love curly hair. You get a wig brush, you get a wig cap, or it's kind of like a wig net that you can use, some earrings, as well as this like satin wig bag. Looks like something's in here. Wig caps, so you get some wig caps as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Pardon my base, I'm getting ready to install like some individual crochet goddess braids, I think they're what they're called. So be on the lookout for that video as well. I already have a wig cap here, so I'm just gonna throw that on.
Wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby.
And as y'all can see, all I'm really doing is just like finger combing through this. And I feel like with the right amount of finger combing, she's gonna give you all all the goodness, you know what I'm saying? Like all the body, like these curls are super bouncy. I feel like she just takes a little bit of shaping to kind of get her where you want her. Maybe trim the bangs just a little bit. But she's giving me Dirty Diana, no, type of vibes. And I think she's really cute. You may have to be a little bit careful so she doesn't give you deaconess so she can give you those sultry, just, you know, sultry vixen type vibes, you know, that girl you could take home to your mama kind of energy. So I'm just gonna play with her a little bit, and we'll come back with a little quick 1-2 on all the deets, pros and cons, and all that good stuff about this hair.
I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright y'all, so we are back, and as you can tell, as I got into this quick little 1-2, this unit was super beginner friendly. You put these things right here to work. Your fingers, finger comb, fluff, fluff, fluff. There you go. You know what I'm saying? I did go in with the pick, as you saw. I took my fingers, I took a wide tooth comb, and you just kind of fluff it out to your liking. You don't want to, well, you could like kind of comb through it, but you know, the more you do that, the bigger this hair will get. I'm into big hair, honestly, but I'm really liking this sort of like mohawk, frohawk, faux hawk, updo kind of style for this hair. Let me know what y'all think down below. But ultimately, let's just jump into some pros and cons of this hair. Pro, you don't have to worry about combs with this hair. You don't have to worry about lace, no glue. You know what I'm saying? It's just like very quick, straight to the point. Very minimal, like no products, very minimal supply. You can honestly, you just use your fingers to get through this hair. Another pro, the price point. When I purchased this hair was only, I think, about $25. When I just checked, it is currently going for $26.55 on Amazon. Can't beat it. I feel like this could be a very great everyday wig for work, or, you know, just around the house, going out, you know, whatever. I think it's really cute. You could really like pick this out to give you very big like fro, like curly fro. I'm really feeling it. It's definitely giving me like Grease vibes, if Grease had black people. So super cute. A con for this hair, I would say that my head is about 22.5 inches in the perimeter, and so this is fitting snug. It's not tight at all, but it's definitely giving me the confidence that it will not just like fly off like this one did, if you remember that hair. So I don't have any other cons. I feel like this hair is really, really nice. Like I said, I do have this in the color black. The website does have different options of hair colors for you to choose from. I can't speak to those and the quality of those, but so far I'm really liking the quality of this hair. I think that the length is perfect. The curls are so beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see these curls. Curls for the girls in the world. It's giving me some like very much like 80s vibes as well. So I really like it though. Let me know what y'all think down below. Overall, I really love this hair. I don't really have many cons. This hair is giving me about, I don't know, like with 8-10 inch kind of vibe. It's hard to tell with the curls. If you were to pull the curls, it's coming like almost bra strap length. Overall, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me some love down in the comments section. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn the post notifications on, so whenever I drop videos, you guys will know. I know that it's been very spotty with me uploading my content lately, but I'm getting better, and I want you to know when I upload. So be sure your notification bell is turned on, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna